Fellow travelers, welcome. We are talking about packing cubes today, specifically the Matador range of packing cubes. We've got 3 of them here. They come in a bundle and we're going to test them out. I'm going to fill them up with stuff. I'm going to talk you all through the features and then you can decide if these are the packing cubes for you. Now, if you don't know about packing cubes when you're traveling are a great way of organizing all of your gear or equipment or whatever you're traveling with, clothes mostly, toiletries. But you stick them all in these packing cubes, it compresses it somewhat, and then you can organize it in your bags. You're not wasting any space. Packing cubes are a really smart way to travel. So these are all made of blue sign recycled nylon. They have YKK number 5 zippers. Let's go with the medium one as the sort of example. So there's the Matador logo stitched down the bottom on a little tag, and then the zippers have these pull tabs with the shrink wrapped grab handles which make it really easy to zip. These zippers very smooth, they're YKK so they feel good. So a quick dimension check on these packing cubes. This is the small one. This weighs 43.3 grams and it comes in at 9.5 by 25.4 by 10.1 centimeters. The medium cube is 55.5 grams. It comes in at 19 by 25.4 by 10.1 centimeters. And then your big girl is 67.1 grams and it's 19 by 25.4 by 10.1 centimeters. So that's the size of the packing cubes. And when you have 3 of them, then it really gives you some versatility on how you pack and then how you sort of organize that in your bags. These also have a nice little grab handle on all of them. So if you need to just pick them up, really easy to go. This is just some webbing. Nothing special about the webbing, but it's not something that you're going to be grabbing a whole lot. So here's some clothes, some underpants, some shirts, and some bottoms. We're going to stick these in the packing cubes and I can show you how it looks. Let's pack them out. So in this one, I'm going to put some underpants, which are hopefully washed because they're not my underpants. Are they washed?
Sorry, they're brand new.
They're brand new underpants. They're not mine either way. Oh, more underpants. There we go. And here you're going to see the benefits of the packing cube at play. So that is quite a lot of stuff, but as I zip it down, it's just going to compress that into a nice little package. There you go. Underpants. Like a week's worth as well. Well, a week for some, a day for others. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is putting them to the test. So made in Vietnam though, and anything that's coming out of Vietnam I have a lot of faith in because they make a lot of carry goods. They know what they're doing and it's always very high quality. There we go, zipped up. That's all the t-shirts. And then so if I've got underpants, t-shirts, what else do I need? Probably some pants. Like, this probably isn't what I would exactly bring on a trip. I'd probably be a little bit more tactical. Because we all take too much stuff when we travel, don't we? You always go away and then you've got all this stuff. I never used that. I probably didn't need to bring it. But for the purposes of demonstrating the capacity and the organization benefits of the Matador packing cube range, that's how it looks. So you can see this whole pile of clothes fits very well and very organized into these packing cubes. Let's grab a travel bag and stick them in. So here we have one of Bellroy's travel packs and we are going to stick some of these packing cubes in it and you can see how I would organize it all. So we go the big stuff first. This one in here, looking really good. And you can see that's quite a good use of space and I've still got in this bag room for some other little bits and pieces, so maybe some toiletries, maybe some tech gear, quick access and laptop and everything. But the packing cubes are in, they're organized, and I am a happy traveler. So there you go. That is the Matador packing cubes. Super handy, quite affordable as well. So check the description for links to those packing cubes and everything else that we've shown in this video. Happy travels, we'll see you in the next one.